Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you unpin a conversation into your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your chat application. And after opening the chat application, you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. Now, from here, you just simply have to search or select the profile which you would like to unpin from your Google Chat. Now, I'll select this profile, and after selecting the profile, you will get to see this unpin option if you have pinned the chat. Now, in order to unpin, just simply give a tap to this unpin option, and after this, your chat will successfully be unpinned from your Google Chat. This way, you can also unpin your Google Chat very easily. I hope this video helped you a bit. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.